Hi, welcome to Jivana's Giant Chair. Do subscribe, like, share, comment, and support our channel. Today, we are going to see a motivational story. We all would like to narrate or hear or read stories. The stories can be true or fictional. They are always playing an important role in our life. The stories have power to change one's life upside down. We can't have all the experiences in our life, but we could change ourselves by hearing the life of others. Sometimes it is leading people to increase their effort towards their goal with enthusiasm. It is stimulating one's feeling into action to achieve. Inspirational stories make one inspire others. Here, we are going to see such an inspirational man who inspired so many people all over the world. A familiar personality to all. Who's ruling the people? Who's ruling the people? Yes, of course, technology is ruling the people nowadays, and he is the man who is ruling the technology. Are you guessing the person? Okay, let me tell you a story to understand as well as to find who is he. It is not a story at all, a real fact that happened very recently. Due to this pandemic COVID 19, the American President Trump announced an order to freeze foreign workers to restore America's economy. All the IT companies in America were dumbstruck because most of the people work in American IT companies are foreigners. When they were discussing this problem, a number one company released its displeasure on that against the president. All were stunned and looked at the person. He is none but a man who is an Indian, a man who was born in Madurai and brought up in Chennai and working in the United States of America. The next morning, all the newspapers and channels telecasted this exciting news. Now you would find him, I think. Yes, he is Pichai Sundararajan, who is known as Sundar Pichai all over the world, an Indian American business executive, the CEO of Google and Alphabet. We can never say all the achievers are born with silver spoon. Alike, Sundar Pichai was also born in a middle class in the year 1972. His journey from Madurai to California is telling us how to be as a self-confident person and also as a man of loyalty. Though born in Madurai, he was brought up in Chennai. His mother was a stenographer and his father an electrical engineer who was working in a company. His family was not wealthy. He did not lead a luxurious life. He grew up in a two-room apartment along with his brother in Chennai. The thing made his father understand the memory power of Sundar was the telephone that he bought when the boy was 12 years old. He could memorize all the number, he could remember all the number that they have dialed. Facing so many troubles in his school life, he cracked IIT Kharagpur and studied metallurgical engineering, which is a study of physical and chemical behavior of metallic elements. His success there won him a scholarship to study at Stanford University, USA. The problem was with money now. Though he was given a scholarship, his father was distressed because of his flight ticket charge. Somehow, finally, he collected money and he managed sending him to America. After reaching there, he studied and he spent most of his time in loneliness. That was the time when technology was not in the hands of poor. And in the college, he was named as Cybel Scholar. Later, after his studies, he managed to join in McKinsey and Company, America. And that was the time Google was developing little by little. There, Sundar was joined in the year 2004 as a head product manager. There was no connection between his degree and his work. Only his interest in technology made him work there. Then he married Anjali and settled in America. In those times, Internet Explorer and Mozilla Firefox were on fire. That time, Sundar Pichai worked on Google Toolbar and made people access with Google search engine easily. Then, over time, he worked hard for the own browser of Google Chrome. This idea was initially not accepted. Later, the founders Sergey Brin and Larry Page gave green signal and allotted a team for this with Sundar Pichai. Chrome was launched in the year 2008. It was a great success for Google, and Sundar Pichai was appointed as the Vice President of Product Management. Later, a few years, he became the Product Chief of Android. That time, Android was mostly used in America, China, and Europe. Sundar Pichai is the one who brought that Android to India. Because of his efforts, the people of India also could get Android at low cost. Later on, all over the world, 90% of people started using Google. So, Internet Explorer and Mozilla Firefox were even lost their ways. When things were going on like this, Sundar Pichai was offered to join in Twitter and also as a CEO for Microsoft. But this man of loyalty denied those proposals and continued his work in Google. Then, facing so many hardships, Sundar Pichai was appointed as the CEO of Google in the year 2015. A man from Madurai became the mastermind of most leading tech giant, the Google. He became a prominent figure as he worked his way up the ladder. He is the man who is being behind all the achievements of Google at present. A middle class man, no, a lower middle class man who has become one of the world's highest paid executives. Now he is leading the entire company which is in leading. His life is a motivation for all others. Not only himself, all can achieve. In order to achieve, push yourself. Follow your dreams, take risk, have an aim in life. Start from the place where you are and sure success is yours. Thank you.